Neruda's poetry consistently celebrates love, nature, and human experience. He began writing poetry when he was 14 years old and didn't stop until his death in 1973.
Ode to the Artichoke. The artichoke, with a tender heart, dressed up like a warrior, standing at attention, it built a small helmet under its scales. It remained unshakable, and one day, side by side, in big wicker baskets, walking through the market, to realize their dream, the artichoke army in formation. But then Maria comes with her basket. She chooses an artichoke. She's not afraid of it.
She examines it. She observes it. Up against the light, like it was an egg. She buys it. She mixes it up. In her handbag, with a pair of shoes, with a cabbage head and a bottle of vinegar, until she enters the kitchen and submerges it in a pot that ends, in peace, this career of the hard vegetable, which is called an artichoke. Then scale by scale, we strip off the delicacy and eat the peaceful mush of its green heart.
In his memoirs, Neruda writes, "Poetry is a deep inner calling in man. From it came liturgy, the psalms, and also the content of religions." The poet confronted nature's phenomena, and in the early ages called himself a priest to safeguard his vocation.
Ode to the Sea. Here, surrounding the island, there's sea. But what sea? It's always overflowing. Says yes, then no again, and no, says yes, in blue, in sea spray, raging, says no, and no again, it can't be sealed. It stammers, my name is sea. It slaps the rocks, and when they aren't convinced, strokes them, and soaks them, and smothers them with kisses.
With 7 green tongues of 7 green dogs, or 7 green tigers, or 7 green seas, beating its chest, stammering its name. O sea, this is your name. O comrade ocean, don't waste time or water getting so upset. Help us instead. We are meager fishermen, men from the shore, who are hungry and cold, and you're our foe. Don't beat so hard, don't shout so loud. Open your Greek coffers. Place gifts of silver in our hands. Give us this day our daily fish.